Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey everyone, we are from Group 5, the Analyzer, and we are here to explain what is the meaning of analytical exposition. But before we explain what is analytical exposition, I would like to introduce our member. My name is Farhan Nurzaki.
My name is Siti Nasyira Syarif.
My name is Naila Husna.
My name is Fadila Syarifati Arif.
My name is Nur Hidayah Ali.
My name is Sintra Fadila. My name is Salsa Fajrani Marzuki.
Okay, so that is the name of the group. We will step into the first explanation. That is definition of analytical exposition, and that will be explained by Nur Fadila.
So, analytical exposition is a text that aims to persuade the reader or listener that an idea, opinion, or argument is true and important. It does this by presenting reason and logical evidence.
Okay, so that is the first explanation of definition of analytical exposition. The next one is social function, and that will be explained by Nur Hidayah Ali.
Okay, social function. The social function for an analytic exposition is to persuade the readers or listeners that an idea, opinion, or argument is important, correct, and worth supporting by giving logical reasons and evidence.
Okay, so that is the explanation of Nur Hidayah Ali. The next one is the general structure and will be presented by Salsa Fajrani Marzuki.
Okay, so I want to tell you about the general structure of the analytical exposition. Analytical exposition has three general structure. The first structure is thesis. Thesis is the opening part of the text that introduces the topic and presents the writer's opinion about it. The second structure is arguments. Arguments contains logical reasons and supporting evidence that strengthen the writer's opinion. It usually uses conjectures such as firstly, secondly, thirdly, furthermore, and moreover. The last structure is reiteration. Reiteration is the closing part of the text that restates and emphasizes the writer's opinion.
That is the explanation of general structure. The next is structure of the sentence and will be presented by Naila Husna.
Structure of the sentence. Positive sentence. The answer is learning English helps students to get better education and more career opportunities. Negative sentence. The answer is students cannot access many international resources if they do not understand English. Interrogative. Do students need English for their education? Yes, students need English for their education. No, students if they do not English for their education.
Okay, so that is the explanation of structure of the sentence by Naila Husna. Okay, and as for the questions related to the interrogative part, the question is, why is English very important for students in the field of education? The answer is, English is very important for students in education because many textbooks, scientific journals, and online learning platforms are written in English. By understanding English, students can easily access international knowledge and resources that are not always available in their local language. This allows them to get a wider perspective, gain deeper understanding of various subjects, and improve their academic performance compared to students who rely on materials written in their mother tongue. Okay, the next is the importance of learning English for students text and will be read by Siti Nur Fadila.
Okay, the importance of learning English for students. English is one of the most important languages in the world. For students, learning English is very beneficial because it will help them in education, career opportunities, and global communication. Firstly, English is the key to better education. Many textbooks, scientific journal, and online learning platforms are written in communication. Secondly, English opens more Nowadays, many companies recruit employees who are able to speak English, especially multinational and companies.
Okay. The next paragraph will be read by Siti Nashira Sarif.
Thirdly, English is a global communication tool. People from different countries use English as an international language to communicate. By learning English, students can interact with foreigners, join international exchange programs, and build connections around the world. This will not only improve their confidence but also prepare them to face globalization. Furthermore, English also supports students in their daily life, from entertainment like music, movies, and games to technology such as social media and software. Most of them use English. Students who understand English can enjoy and use the things more effective. They will also find it easier to learn other foreign language after mastering English basic. In conclusion, learning English is very important for students. It provides better education, career opportunities, global communication, and daily advantage. Therefore, students should be motivated to learn and practice English consistently because it will give them a bright future.
Okay, so that is the mentionment by Siti Nur Fadila and Nashira Sarif of the importance of learning English for students text. The next is I will show you the placement of the structure of the text, the importance of learning English for students. So the first paragraph is the placement of thesis. The second paragraph is the placement of first argument. The third paragraph is the placement of the second argument. The fourth paragraph is the placement of the third argument, and the fifth paragraph is the placement of fourth argument, and the last paragraph is the reiteration. The next is social function, and that will be explained by Salsa Fajrani Marzuki.
Okay, I want to tell you about the social function of the text, the importance of learning English for students. The social function is to persuade students that learning English is very important because it helps them in education, provides better career opportunities, supports global communication, and is useful in daily life.
So that is the explanation of the social function by Salsa Fajrani Marzuki, and closing. That was the presentation from our group regarding analytical exposition. If there are any shortcomings, please forgive. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.
wabarakatuh.